guys, this is Karen. I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, I'm bolting them out for you guys. When I said I was gonna have this be a content day, this is a content day, and you're about to get all of this here content now. So if you see the same makeup, same shirt, everything, because it's a content day. Anywho, the new wig that I have for you guys is by Outre, and it's the Melted Hairline Jenni. I have her in a number 2. I will make sure that I put her picture on the side so you guys can see her. Yeah, so here's Jenni in the number 2. I know I'm late on all these wigs, but y'all know as soon as the gurus with that, you know, the Is That Your Hairs and the Karashans and, you know, the wig and Wonderlustus, and once they start doing a wig and y'all see that wig, y'all go get that wig, and then I can't get the wig. Like, even if I do get like a sponsorship, they be like, we don't have it, it's out of stock, and I'm like, but I get it because I'm a wig lover too, so I understand that y'all went and got them wigs. So this is Jenni, and off that, I love her. I'm just looking at that texture and that color, and that's a contrast to this wine color. But yeah, this is beautiful, really pretty. She's giving me Michelle Obama. She's most definitely giving me Michelle Obama, and she's most definitely giving me First Lady already. Let me show you her insides. I have 2 combs, one, 2. She has lace in the front and the thick parting space. She has the P-Head Girl adjustable strap. I love this elastic band, it's so dope. And then we have the comb in the back and the adjustable strap, so you have both. And of course the regular cap construction. So I'm going to put this on. I have been wearing these glueless, so I have not been gluing them down. I just been tinting them with my tint spray, and that is what we're going to do with this one if it allows me to. So yeah, I'll be right back with the wig on. Okay, you guys, I am back with Miss Jenni on from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. She is in a number 2. And I don't know why she looks extremely dark to me, but I just had on a red wig. So, yeah, this is Jenni. And I really like her. And at first I was saying, yeah, she's giving Michelle Obama. She's giving, and she's not to me right now. She kind of is, but she's not. I think this is a natural wig, and it's a middle part, and it's really cute. Like, this could be like my everyday wig. Did I glue this down? Nah, I haven't been gluing these down because they've been fitting so well right now. But I did use my even tinted spray on this. She looks really, really good. And these, you're not supposed, well, they say you don't need to pluck them. You could pluck it if you want. They do minimal plucking. when you get these, it's minimal. When I say minimal, it's minimal. Minimal. They barely pluck the wig, so you can pluck it if you want to, but this is cute. And I think my thing to a good wig is volume and layers. I love fluffiness. I love big hair. I really do. I really, really do. That is my heart. If you bring me a big hair wig, curly, kinks, coils, straight, I don't care. If it's fluffy and big, I love it. And so to me, this is, it's fluffy. It has some volume to it. It has all of these layers. It's so pretty. Like, so pretty. And I'm like in love with this. Like, this is reminding me of, although this is the Outre, I think it was Sensational. I want to say Sensational, but I'm not sure. But June. It was on my top wigs of the year, was June. And this is what June, it just giving me a short June. And I'm loving that. This, oh, y'all, like, the layers in her is bomb. Like, if this was, this is bomb. Like, I'm loving this. And it's in a number 2, so it's a more natural color. Oh, the luster in her is pretty. I really, this look like if I got my hair flat ironed. This? Okay, Jenni. You know what? Jenni looks amazing. And I am in love, honey. She looks good. And she a middle part, so she had hair and she's not too long, so she's not gonna be too hot. She is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh wow. And I keep looking down in my mirror or in my monitor. Y'all are here, I'm sorry. But when I get a wig and I'm like, okay. Like, I am loving all of these layers and it's just so pretty. It's really, really pretty. I'm not getting any shedding. I'm not getting any tangling. She has the elastic band on the back, so once I get that elastic band, it fits to my pea head so good and so snugly. I really don't notice if it's a big wig, but I do feel like there is a lot of room in here. I can't feel the room. Don't get me wrong, but the elastic band gives the illusion that my head is bigger than what it is. So, yeah, but I have heard these melted hairlines are a little snug because of the band, but I like it a lot, and I'm really liking that I didn't have to glue this down. Like, this is glueless. I haven't put anything on it. Usually I use the Eben Wonder Lace adhesive spray, which that is bomb. So yeah, she's not glued down, as you can see. But I would glue her down if I was going somewhere, if I was doing something, yes, just to have that extra security. But since I've been batching videos all day, I wanted y'all to just see the wig, and if I don't have to glue it down, I'm not gonna glue it down. But yup, she look good. She looks good. Ooh, I really like this. I really do. So what I've been doing, right, is because I'm not going anywhere. I go to work and I go home and I go to church, and I've been trying to figure out, like, since I got all these fragrances, what fragrance would I pair with this, you know? And I'm thinking, because this is so natural, right? So let me find it real quick. Let me find it. No, it's not that one. It's not that one. So this is it. I was looking for this one because when I brought it in here to do the last video on my fragrances, I totally forgot to bring them back into my bathroom. So this is Floral Lavender. Now this is that scent I told y'all before when I did the video that I would love to just, like, I put this on after a shower, or I spray my sheets with it. because it smells so clean and so good to me. It just smells like, oh, it's just clean, it's fresh, and I love this one. And so this would be the one I would wear with this wig. I would. And she smells so good and so, I love how fresh it smells, and it smells really, really good. And yeah, I need to put that back in my bathroom from when I get out the shower, because yes, that is what I would wear this with. And like, this just looked like I would put on a nice pretty dress and just, I don't know, go walk in the mall or something. I don't know. But she is beautiful, and I really do love this wig, and that's it. That's all I gotta say about her, because she's so pretty. Oh, I'm loving these layers. Okay. All of the details to this wig will be down in the description box. If you have something to tell me, go ahead and put it down in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with all of your wig loving friends. And of course, subscribe to me, because I would love to have you a part of my family. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.